What is this reality? This reality turns out to be a mirror of my qualities. My qualities. Now, if I were to look at my body from the outside and see the organs and look at them and judge that lung, it's kind of ugly, I don't need that, or my heart, I would actually look at my body and decide that everything is necessary. Some things are a little alien, a little weird, a little strange. Maybe every single part is completely crucial. And if you take something out that seems not crucial and it seems like it doesn't bother anyone if you take it out, you'll discover later that it actually bothers everything. And similarly here, the real me is actually projected out before me in all of those parts of reality that seem to be some of them bad, some of them good. But basically, I am looking, when I look out at reality, I'm looking at all of the parts of my desire, and they're at war because I am internally at war. In Kabbalah, this means there is a war going on inside you, because the real war that needs to be fought is a different one, a much more essential one, a much more important one. And it's the war to internally come closer to connection with the Creator and to come to the appropriate relationship to all of reality. And it's at the level of the regular things in the news that we're talking about. I don't have to make any decision about that, but my heart is racing, thinking about it. I'm excited about it. I want this one to win and that one to lose. That's already a problem. That means that I have an internal attitude towards reality where I believe that will be the change that's needed. And that means that I'm already the source of the problem internally. I'm the source of the problem in reality. And I need to change that because I need to understand that everyone in creation is necessary and that war really, if someone comes to kill you, then you need to already do to them what they had hoped to do to you. So if they're coming to kill you, you got to kill them first, right? Kabbalists say this. But zooming out and really having the right approach to reality means that I can't think that war is a solution. I can't think that any political trend is a solution. Not right, not left, no ifs, ands, or buts. There is no correct solution on the level of this world. Moreover, I need to include the well-being of all of humanity in all of my thoughts. I need to not wish for anyone to be deleted. The Republicans, the Democrats, the socialists, the capitalists. I need to wish well for all of them and not to delete anybody, not to have them change their opinion. Their opinion, it's rooted much more deeply than I can imagine. It's at the root of creation. The East versus the West, you can never merge them. They're deeply rooted and that can't be changed and shouldn't be changed. And the Creator won't allow to be changed. All He'll let us do is become more mature. He'll block us from doing anything really, from actually changing anything until we become more mature and understand that all these things need to remain as such, as they are. This is what the wisdom of Kabbalah is really about. It's about balancing these two eternal forces inside of us that there's no way you're going to be able to overcome them. You won't be able to eliminate either one. They're before you. They come before your existence. They're eternal. You're ephemeral. Now, who is the real you? Is the one that balances them, the one who decides that all have their place, and we call this the middle line. And it's the whole study of the wisdom of Kabbalah, of how to come to internal peace, meaning the balancing between these two forces, and thus projecting external peace, creating peace in the world. It's something advanced, but this is the process.